Hi viewers, I am here to speak about one of the largest client. In fact, that was the first client on sales consulting. I mean, isn't it true that first client is almost a first love? That's the way we've got onboarded. This client had a very unique problem business problem when they came to us. They said we were losing people, despite of our best efforts, to a large extent in the first 100 days of people. So they said, can Maxiris do something for us? So the process that we followed is we got to meet the head of HR, the business head, and the MD and CEO, because they were also a fairly new company into the business. They were about less than 2 years old. So we went and met with the key stakeholders. We went onto the field to observe. Then we realized a reservoir from where they were recruiting people. So we understood that a large amount of challenge came at the recruitment stage and not at the field level. So which means typically, what I say, if you don't have the good seed sown, your output or productivity is questionable. So we need to work on the quality of the seed. We put process. We went around training people on competency-based interviews, which competence to look for, how to sell a career, and why it's important to play a long innings with the company. Hired the managers to undergo a training of this sort, certify them, and then post which we structured a 6-day induction program with online testing, followed by kind of a Viva Voss or a role play, so that we are able to certify them. And we put some rigorous certification process, which means they have to clear it at the role play level, because it's a conceptual product. It is not something which is tangible. So we helped them put these process. We took the ownership, and then three differentiators I would say. One, we put the skin in the game. We said, what if we do a good job in the first 100 days and reduce attrition? What's in it for us? Thankfully, we must compliment the MD and CEO. He said, you shall tell us and we will take it up. And then we worked on a commercial. We said by the end of the 100th day, from the initial start of the batch, number of people retained, we worked on a percentage, and our commercials were fixed on that. Typically what we call as skin in the game. Two, it led to reduced attrition. We worked with the client for about 3 years. Year on year, quarter on quarter, we were able to earn that success fee, what we call it as skin in the game. And also, good people stayed in the organization, and today they are managers, regional managers, and in fact some of them are even leading a vertical. And that's the kind of value add that Maxiris can do for large corporates. Thank you.